In this video, I will show how to add portfolio post on your WordPress website. So search this plugin Themify portfolio post, then install and activate. After activation, in this left side panel you will see portfolios. Click on add new. Add title, add your media, date, client, service, link to launch. Then here you can create portfolio category, then publish it. So this is the way, guys, you can use this plugin. So thanks for watching, and this is the basic and short video to learn how to add portfolio post in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.